for this?
You must have been out in here to stay, ready to take you around the way. So you ready for this? Mind your own biz, cause I am back, yeah, the microphone this. Need to say, but it's too limited. Ready, ready, ready for this. They just get closer, be impressed by the words I chose. So once again, kicking it live, doing everything that just is about. Above the wall, I think I stand here on stage with a mic in my hand, buzzing it loud into the crowd. The age is 20, I'm from the south.
Be a boss, break my heart. Get ready for this. Mind your own biz. People in the front, show me what you want, and I will give it is. Get ready for this. We do all limited, so people won't you sit, moving up and down, dancing on the ground, feeling kind of free, security. How's it sound that moves you from the ground?
House on the ground, raising your face, raising the place, no time to waste. Being hypnotized, I see it in your eyes, feeling kinda better, put on your sweater. Being black or white, I think it doesn't matter. Super dope, deaf, and even outrageous. If I was an animal that kept me in cages, so get ready for this.
Y'all ready for this?